12 March 2011. A tsunami has just slammed into the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant in Japan. The crisis inspired the US Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, to set up its robotics challenge. The final showdown takes place in June 2015, when robots must perform feats that would have averted the Fukushima explosions. So that's an example of where robots will go in the future. And it might start right here today when Steve or Jerry are programming their EV3 robots.
From Macquarie University. We're working today in partnership with 4 other Sydney universities. This is going to be a load of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. So the main point of today is to have fun, guys. It's not like a science lesson, but you will get so much out of it.
What is the definition of a robot? Well, a robot has to have a sensor, has to have some kind of output and a brain in between, just like us. We're here today at Kyoga High School and we'll be working with the LEGO EV3 robot, and today students and teachers will be programming these robots to play interactive dice games and getting them to program to move around in the shape of a square using the motion sensor and light sensor.
The reason why we do this program, I guess, is because there are so many schools out there that don't have the resources within the school to be able to offer these kind of programs to their students. I guess a great reason why we work with the teachers is because we're helping to equip them with the tools necessary to enrich the curriculum and to give a practical aspect to the theory that they're learning in the classroom.
I'm constructing the robot.
What's the robot called?
Bob.
So how are you finding it so far?
The computer side of things is a little bit tough because I haven't programmed with blocks before, but no, we're going alright with the putting it together.
So we've actually come up with a lot of ideas to do with our robots today, and we're sitting in a group, we've been drawing on paper, thinking of cool ideas. Really fun.
As it hits the tape, it slips a bit on the corners. This is a fantastic opportunity. I'm having a great day. It's a huge amount of fun, and we're learning stuff, and I can't wait to be able to impart that on with a group of kids in the classroom.
The program's created a lot of interest with students and the community, and other schools in the area and outside of this area have heard about these programs, and now we're getting invitations from other schools who have heard about the robotics. The teachers and the students together are working out how we can improve literacy, how we can improve numeracy, and specifically technological literacy as well. Good for teachers, good for kids, good for interest, good for schools.
Have you enjoyed this program?
Yes, it has been fun building the robots and programming them.
Would you recommend this for other students to take part in robotics?
Yes, I would. I think it's very fun.
Well, I think the program's brilliant because it teaches the kids so much about sticking at something until they achieve a result.
It's been a really good program for Nick. You've had a good time, haven't you, Nick?
Yeah.
I hope the program does continue for these rural students who don't get the opportunities like the city children.
It's given them the opportunity to explore possibilities outside their world, to work with technology and 21st century capacity building. It's given teachers the chance to explore new opportunities in their professional learning. In terms of the benefits, what we've got now is a committed staff who want to keep increasing the capacity of the skill to build in this area. We're actually tapping into the kids' areas of interest. Technology is obviously a growth industry. It's creating creative, critical thinkers who are looking at problem solving continually to increase their learning capacity.
There are no strangers to love.
Legos and the robotics.